Welcome to the Parametric Pleating webinar course, Custom Component Design with Paneling Tools. This course will provide an overview of the theory and practice of designing custom surface components with the grid-based modeling plugin paneling tools. Today we will learn about intuitive techniques inspired by paper folding for the design, analysis, and fabrication of complex surfaces. Additionally, the principles and rationale behind NURBS, or non-uniform rational basis splines, will be covered, shedding light on how this particular type of geometry may impact the various design decisions you'll face when handling surfaces. So I'm Ronnie Parsons, and here with me is Gil Akios. We're the founding partners of ModeLab, a collective learning platform that really vision is to empower creatives through education and experiences in design and technology. Now, the website, which we just relaunched, you can see here. We're really excited to be sharing this with you all. It's definitely a step up from our previous website, so we're, again, really happy to share it with you. And when we talk about this idea of the collective learning platform, it's really that, first, we believe that when learning becomes a social process, collective insight and understanding lead to intellectual synergy. So the unique perspectives and skills and experiences yield innovation that's not only something for the group, but for the individuals that compose the collective as well. So within the section collective, you can see all the different types of people who are involved here. Featured members, instructors, you can see interviews and video segments that Gil and I have been featured in, as well as some of the evidence of the work that has come about from the various types of learning resources we have provided over the past few years. In learning, you'll find a collection of learning resources, a course catalog. And the idea is that we want to connect people to learning content. And our course topics are produced in a lot of different formats, which are really flexible enough to meet the dynamic nature of the material and the various people who come to learn from us or with us. And the last is our platform, which is, we understand that there are a lot of obstacles involving scheduling, technical proficiency, as well as physical location. And so we remove those. And what remains is really something that we think is adaptable as well as accessible in terms of a learning platform, which is open to not only creative professionals, but people who are just curious in general. So we have courses, workshops, classes. We also host events, and soon we'll be launching a short tips and tricks series, which will be coming about in the next couple of months. So today we'll be covering, and again, actually here you can see another snapshot of some of the various workshops and work that has come about since we've been hosting these courses and workshops. And we'd love for you guys to connect with us on Facebook. You can see this is our page here at Mode Collective, facebook.com/Mode Collective. And it's really a great place for you guys to post questions or anything that you might have come up, and we're always on top of it, so we'll get back to you very quickly. So today some of the topics that we're going to be covering are issues dealing with paper folding. So what are the concepts behind paper folding? Grid-based modeling with paneling tools, how it works, what are some of the opportunities that lie there, and how you can really take advantage of it to accelerate certain components of your production pipeline when moving from design ideation into physical output. How to move from something inspiring, some kind of paper folding motif that you may have seen, to a design model. Paneling planar grids with custom components. And also how to panel surfaces with custom components. But before we get started, some administration or topics related to infrastructure for the course this afternoon is that we'll be going for 2.5 hours, which will include a Q&A session after each exercise. The course will be recorded and distributed later online as a series of shorter videos for you, so you can come back and reference the various learning content that we covered this afternoon in the future. Now you should have all received an email with a link to the source files. If you have not, please post a question comment to the question window, and we'll be more than happy to get those files to you via a link. The link is also posted currently at the in the chat window. So if you need to download it, you could go there, and if you're having any trouble finding it, just let us know, and we'll be more than happy to send it to you directly. Now, the files that we have posted are here for your reference. They're all labeled sequentially, and we'll be walking through those files this afternoon together. But we'll be modeling everything from scratch together. So I'm probably not going to be opening up any files. I'm just going to start from a blank screen, and hope you will too. And we'll follow along together and construct these various exercises in real time together. So both Gil and I are conducting this course simultaneously. Gil will be answering technical questions on the fly and redirecting any relevant topical questions for me to address to the group. So the idea is that we want to create as much of a live experience for you as possible, given the medium, the kind of web-based medium, so that this can really be a dynamic learning experience for you.